Again Jesus called the crowd to him and said,
Listen to me, everyone, and understand this. Nothing outside you can defile you by going into you. Rather, it is what comes out of you that defiles you.
After he had left the crowd and entered the house, his disciples asked him about this parable.
Are you so dull?
He asked.
Don't you see that nothing that enters you from the outside can defile you? For it doesn't go into your heart, but into your stomach, and then out of your body.
In saying this, Jesus declared all foods clean. He went on.
What comes out of you is what defiles you. For from within, out of your hearts, come evil thoughts, sexual immorality, theft, murder, adultery, greed, malice, deceit, lewdness, envy, slander, arrogance, and folly. All these evils come from inside and defile you.